OMG, I just know Candy. This track is talking to me strictly PE. Straight to my heart by feeling indirectly. Better get myself together and act properly. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's okay. Wanna be that guy, wanna be that dude, I wanna be your man. I hope someday that we can really understand. My only happiness will